think I've got a crab on here. Yeah. I think it's a it's pulling. I think it's a flounder.
Going side to side. Oh yeah, that's a big flounder. That's a nice size.
He kept pulling down.
Oh,
Nice.
told you we were gonna catch something.
Yeah.
DEA uniform. Oh, look at that. Ooh, you almost lost it.
Yeah. So hold tight. Nice flounder. Pretty clean. Is it still on?
That's a heavy sucker. I think that's a crab, yeah. It's going side to side. It cannot be flounder. It's fighting. Look
Oh
at,
yeah, I
look
see
at
that moving.
Look at this. No, it is a flounder. You're
Yeah?
kidding me. It didn't even bite. Sucker didn't
Oh, that's
even bite.
a decent one.
Yeah? Ooh,
Good job.
That looks like a worm inside.
Alright guys, so far we have caught 2 flounder. I caught a crab, sent it back though because crabbing is closed right now, but it should be opening back up in July. Rev it.
That side, they're like, that is full. So I parked on the street right there in the parking lot.
I've never seen it this busy.
Really?
Ever. Yeah.
Same time again. Right, Kern, right here?
Oh, right here?
Or not, I don't know.
I don't think there's room. Yeah.
Just pull straight forward just a bit. Watch it straight.
I've never seen it this packed here.
Keep going. Alright, now just go straight back.
Straight back.
Turn a hair to the right. technically fine there.
Okay.
You're about a millimeter from the curb, so
Oh, that's fine. Have you seen these wheels?
it's not touching technically.
I keep having this weird issue where all my lights on the left side get stuck on, even when you turn off the car. But B18 or B16A.
Very nice skyline, huh?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Not as beautiful as RX-7 next to it, but still okay. You don't want it? You want to know what I've done to the car?
Got an Integra here with the JDM front end, but USDM everything else. It's pretty clean. Crab. I think. Maybe a flounder. Oh, you see that?
Yeah, it's long swirling.
Flounder. Which one?
There you go.
What did he bite on?
Top one. Shrimp.
Yeah. The shrimp and the squid are on there too.
See, you were casting the spot I wanted to cast.
See? It stays on really good. The shrimp.
Maybe I have you bait mine.
Where's the fish? We just
It's a baby. I don't want it.
Oh, you don't want it this time?
It's a baby. I'll send it back so it can grow.
Right, for next time, right?
how do you I can show me how you bait your shrimp and your squid.
There he goes. Bye bye.
Yeah, belly fuck.
Oh, because he was swimming away. He inked. That's cool.
I'm already over there.
Wow, the tide is so high. That's great.
Clamshells and everything up.
Oh, there he is. Come on, you ready? Look at his claws, man. Oh, I think I got him
No,
wrapped
he's
up.
tangled.
No, he's right there.
Yeah, he's tangled.
He's
Why won't
tangled?
my camera focus?
Am I going to bring him up like this?
Yeah, bring it up straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, just thing to put the egg like that.
Oh, before he drops. Another one car. That's a good size, man. Okay, guys, I'm going home. I'm out of here.
Hey, you know what? He got you. I think I got a heavy crab. It's really heavy.
Come on, baby. No, it is a crab. Same one. Missing the claw. No, same one. It's missing the claw, bro.
He's hungry.
Я только что отпустил его, Дэнни вытащил. Вот это прикол. Что такое? Hey, Krabby, what's going on, man? It's right in his mouth, huh?
Yeah.
Let me hold his claw, grab it. Because he will attack you. Okay. Buddy boy. You're going back.
He's strong.
I know. You want me to grab him?
Yeah, I think my hands are too small.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do, buddy? You want to fight me? This is not funny anymore, man.
Let's see color.
This is not funny anymore if it's going to be the same.
It sounds like a sandbag, huh? I don't see no color yet. No color yet. Oh, there's a
Same
crab.
freaking crab.
There's a crab. Oh no, it's a different one.
He has two
He
claws.
has two claws.
This one got a two claws, huh?
Oh, he's about to let go.
No, it's in his mouth.
Oh yeah, it is.
Should we show him crab? Disgusting. Got him.
Oh yeah, he's holding on by his lip.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. You're not gonna just take that off, are you?
He's brave.
Now see that fish didn't feel like a sand, like a crab, like a sand that you're pulling up like a. So when you pull up, I'm like, why is the crab so small? They feel so damn heavy. It's like, bro, the fish is actually really leaky. You know what I mean? Yeah, you got a crab again, probably. Feels heavy, huh?
Yeah. It's making my arms tired.
Oh, I am. Look, see? See, same size crab, bro. Damn. What?
He doesn't want to let go.
He's so tiny. So tiny.
It's a baby.
Let it go.
That's hilarious.
He said, I'm just going to take this.
It's mine.
He's already off, huh?
That's funny. Sorry, but it's not a crab season. I think you're gonna come here.
Bro, it's so crazy how these things look so. They look like they're so heavy, but they're so small. Yeah, it is one.
It's a crab.
Well, that's
Hey!
so funny.
That's a good size, right?
Yeah, that's pretty
I
decent.
don't know how big these red crab are supposed to be.
Pretty big. About like size of your hand.
Watch when crab season starts, you're not gonna be able to catch any.
I know, right?
Oh no! Oh,
We're gonna be out here trying to catch them, and then we can't catch for shit.
that's the size. That's the size you keep. Too.
Yeah, this closet. There's no way it's gonna get over there that fast. That's probably a good bet of mine, maybe. You know what though? It's giving us a good idea as to like where they're at when they hit.
Yeah, once crab season opens up. My arms are so tired.
Why did you guys keep them?
Can you let go, buddy?
I want that. He said, I want that.
Oh, he took my bait though. There he goes.
He said,
Crap, I've been trying for so long.
this is too heavy.
Oh, that's definitely
Why is it gotta be so heavy?
What, is this still on?
Yeah.
Is it like wiggling around?
No. Just feels like I'm trying to bring up very heavy sandbag. And I freaking snap my pole, you did. Whatever you are. Not even that big.
I drove out.
Where did that go?